Hello everyone. Today our group will discuss two important topics in marketing: foundation of consumer behavior and consumer well-being. Foundation of consumer behavior explain how and why consumer make purchasing decision. Consumer behavior is influenced by several factors. First, psychological factors such as motivation, perception, learning, and attitudes. For example, someone may buy a product because they believe it will improve their lifestyle or social status. And then second is social factors, including a family, friends, and the social media influence. Today, many purchasing decisions are influenced by influencers on TikTok and Instagram. And then third, personal factors such as age, income, and then lifestyle. Like a teenager and a working adult usually have a very different buying purchases. And then lastly, cultural factors including value and social norms that shape our preference.
A real example is social media influence and FOMO, which stand for fear missing out. Many people buy product after seeing influencer promote them online. Sometimes they do not actually need the product, but they are afraid of missing a trend or limited offer. For example, a limited edition sneakers or viral beauty products often sell out quickly because customers feel emotional pressure to buy immediately. This shows that customer behavior is not always rational, it is often emotional.
Consumer well-being refers to how business activities affects consumers' overall welfare. This includes product safety, fair pricing, honest advertising, and protection of personal data. Companies have ethical responsibilities to ensure their marketing practices do not harm consumers financially, emotionally, or physically. Real ethics case. A real case related to business ethics is the data privacy scandal involving Facebook and Cambridge Analytica. In that case, user data was collected and used without proper consent. This raised serious concerns about digital consumer privacy and corporate responsibility. Another example is misleading advertising or fake online reviews, which can manipulate consumer into making wrong purchasing decisions. These cases show that not all companies fully prioritize consumer well-being.
Is consumer behavior rational or emotional? Consumer behavior is both rational and emotional. Consumers may compare price and product futuristically. However, emotion often play a stronger role, such as buying because brand image, trend, or mood. In many cases, emotional factors dominate rational thinking.
Does marketing create needs or only satisfy needs? Marketing doesn't create basic needs like food or shelter. However, marketing can create wants. For example, we need a smartphone to communicate, but marketing makes us want the newest model with an advanced feature. So, marketing mainly influence desires, not a basic needs.
Are companies truly concerned about consumer well-being? Some companies genuinely care and implement ethical practices such as transparency and sustainability. However, some companies focus more on maximizing profit. Corporate social responsibility programs can show concern for consumers, but sometimes they are only used for improving brand image.
How can consumer protect themselves? Customer can protect themselves by being more informational and critical. They should be reading review carefully, compare the other product, avoiding impulsive buying, protect personal data, understanding their customer rights, and educated customers are less likely to be manipulated.
In conclusion, consumer behavior is influenced by psychological and social factors, while consumer well-being depends on ethical business practices and informed consumers.